Hi, MuSigma is the world's largest pure play big data decision support and analytics company. What that means is that we are not an IT company that happens to do data analytics. Neither are we a consulting company that is leveraging the buzz in the big data space. In fact, right from our start in 2004, we have focused on institutionalizing analytics at scale and helping our clients make better data driven decisions in a sustainable and cost effective manner. We today are working with over 140 Fortune 500 clients, many of those are actually Fortune 100, and across multiple continents and 12 industry verticals and as many horizontals. We have about 3,500 decision scientists working with us. We call them decision scientists and not data scientists because we believe decisions are more important than data. By the way, recently there was an article in the Harvard Business Review which stated that while companies like IBM, Accenture, and other industry leaders are trying to do a lot of things in the analytics, decision sciences, and data sciences space, a company called MuSigma has already figured it out. A testament of our quality of work is substantiated by Walmart Financial Services, which awarded us the Supplier of the Year award ahead of many other vendors that's working with. We are funded by Sequoia Capital and General Atlantic, which who are the same guys actually who put money into Google and Facebook in the early days. Let me define what I mean by decision sciences. We consider data to be the new oil, and we have lots and lots of data. Data is doubling every 18 months while the cost of memory is reducing and the computational power is increasing at a continuous basis. Connecting all this data with all the pipes and plumbing that you think is data engineering. Data sciences, on the other hand, is taking technology and math and solving focus problems. By focus problems, I mean problems that can be clearly defined. For example, Google is solving the focus problem of search. Facebook is solving the focus problem of social mapping social graphs. Netflix is solving the focus problem of movie preferences. But in the real world, we are solving problems of selling insurance, diapers, soap, fuel, etc. The world does not have focus problems. The world has muddy problems which are ill defined and they keep shifting. For this world, you need a combination of math, technology, business, context, behavioral sciences, and decision thinking. All of these multidisciplinary skills is what we call decision sciences. And this combination of the combination of these three things, data engineering, data sciences, and decision sciences, make the decision support stack. You can think about us as one of in lines of kitchen management company rather than a company that makes only a single dish. Not only do we make that single dish for you, we also inform you about the various ingredients that have gone into making the dish, the utensils, and also the preparation process. The next day, you might want us to have a different dish. We would not only want to tell you about how the dish was made, but also about how or if we could use it same utensils, condiments, or preparation process from the previous dish. As the interactions grow with the customer, they understand that we're not a single dish company but a kitchen management company. We're not also into solving specific problems. We're not solving a problem. We're not actually a problem solving company. We understand that solving specific problems is absolutely essential to survive. But ideally, to be sustainable, you need another strand which is intertwined with solving specific problems, which we call the art of problem solving. And once these two things can connect with each other, life in big data and decision sciences become real. When we think of the art of problem solving, we think of people, processes, and platforms to harmonize solving specific problems and the art of problem solving. It is very difficult to position us in the market because we think we are category defining. Actually, the Sequoia Capital call us that. Because maths plus business made consulting services happen. Business plus technology made IT happen. And math and technology made interesting products. Companies like Google, i2, and ProfitLogic. But what we see in these are consulting companies are not cost effective. IT companies, due to these heavy processes, are not agile. Product companies are not flexible. In a transformative world, you need a combination of cost effectiveness, agility, and flexibility to solve problems. The way you think about us is management consulting plus applied math minus high costs. IT folks with a healthy appreciation of business and those who use a lot of applied maths in our analysis, we are a very key company. In fact, our vision statement is in the form of equation, art of sciences, done at a scale and thought of as a whole. You can think of the art like a business analyst, the science as an applied mathematician, and the scale as a programmer. But we don't think of them separately, we think of them together. Art and science are additive. Doing it at scale is multiplicative, and thinking about it as a whole is exponential. And this is what we call a decision scientist. We realized early on that this kind of talent is not readily available in the market. So instead of focusing more on recruiting them, we focused more on creating them. So we came up with the Mu Sigma University, where recruits are trained in the basics of consulting, strategic thinking, Minto pyramids principle, written communication, to the basis of applied maths and analytics like univariate analysis, bivariate analysis, Bayesian modeling, latent class modeling, applied regression using SAS, R, SPSS, etc., and the ability to work with big data. I mean the Hadoop, Mahout, Cassandra, etc. We round the training up with a mini MBA program so that the quantitatively inclined minds can get business savvy, which will help them interact better with our clients, having a better context and domain. The belief of the company are that learning is given more importance than knowing, and agility and cross-disciplinary skills are important so that we can have cost-effective and innovative in our approach. For the kind of problems we solve, we need a combination of proprietary and commercial technologies. There's a plethora of commercial technologies available across the areas of analytics, but what we have seen is that these commercial technologies do not address all the areas of decision sciences, and there are certain gaps. So we have created a products and IND groups within our ecosystems who create proprietary technologies that address these gaps. Technologies like the MuRx, which is our reusable platform that we have built. It is the basic bionic upon which our analytics becomes white box and scalable. There's a MuPDNA, taking a business problem and translating it into an analytical problem. That's what MuPDNA does. MuMix, it's our marketing mix module, and many other platforms what we have built. So why it is that clients partner with us? I have 5 simple reasons. 1, decision sciences is our core competency. We are a pure play analytics company. We do only analytics, and we do that really, really well. 2, the people that we bring that on the table. We realized early on that this kind of talent is not available in the market, so instead of focusing more on recruiting them, we focus on creating them. 3, the processes that we put in place. We do this in a very white box fashion, as opposed to a black box. I want to make it very clear here that while working for you, you have full access to the algorithms and the codes we generate, and any IP that's generated in the process belongs to you and you alone. 4th, unique cross-industry experience. We have solved a problem of non-normal distributions for an insurance company, product diffusion for a technology company, SKU rationalization for a retailer, sales for effectiveness and incentive comparison design for a pharma company, revenue management for an airline company, and monetization algorithm for Facebook. And finally, the flexibility. The flexibility to scale our extensions teams up or down depending on your needs, thus allowing the ability to scale right. And we do all this in an extremely black and white manner with a lot of integrity. This is Mu Sigma in a nutshell. If you have any questions, we would be more than glad to answer them to you. Thank you.